Hello everyone, my name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. In this video, you're going to learn how to move your shoulders or upper body. I'm going to give you two options, exercises, and how to apply it to your salsa basics. Alright guys, so now we got to the breakdown and exercises. So number one is just the regular shoulder. Yeah, we're moving it in a circle. So I have isolation exercises for you and then I'm going to teach you how to apply it to your basics. Yes? So pretty much we're going to start with just isolating one shoulder. We're going to start with the right shoulder and I'm going to turn this way so you can see what's happening. I'm going to literally create a circle. So we're going to go. It's first going up and then all the way around, circle going back. We do that, then we try with the other shoulder, we go. We do it a few times, you can do it to the music just so you get the rhythm. And then we're gonna alternate. So we go, alternate right, left, right, left, right, left. The next level of this exercise will be to try it to the actual rhythm, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right? So now let's try it. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Next level will be to actually put it together. It will be much easier. I know it's a little bit complicated when we try to combine both parts, upper body, lower body. So I suggest you start with your lower body just because you already mastered your basics, yes? So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to add the upper body movement, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this movement is mostly for my ladies. If you guys want to try, you can try the second one, which is the figure 8. The one that I'm going to explain next, okay? So now, if you're having difficulties with that, remember when you do your one going back is when you also go with your shoulder going back. I'm going to do it on this side so you can see. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good luck. All right, and for number 2, we have the figure 8. This one is a little bit more complicated and we're still gonna do, the first exercise that we're gonna do is the movement of the ribcage, yes? So I'm gonna ask you to open your legs just to have a little bit more balance and you're just gonna, literally you're gonna try to push your ribcage to the right and then to the left. The most common mistake that we're gonna be making is this, yes? So if that's happening to you, extend your arms and try to literally visualize that you're reaching towards the wall that is to your side and the other wall. So we go here. Try to exaggerate as much as possible just so your body becomes comfortable with that. Once you did this, then we already did the other exercise, yes? So we're literally going to be combining both of them for this figure 8. If you have seen my videos, it's actually the same concept as we did for the hips for the figure 8, okay? All right, so now let's put it to practice. Let's put everything together. First, when we do the one, we're going to, this time it's not just isolating and reaching sideways. This time, you're going to take your shoulder to reach diagonally forward, yes? So if I'm doing it to the side, it's actually a little bit more visual. So this is sideways only, and this is diagonally forward, okay? So let's try that. We go I go 1, 2, 3. Literally, you're going to imagine you're drawing a figure 8 with your upper body, with your rib cage. Okay? So now, let's do it with the salsa rhythm. It's exactly the same rhythm as you keep with your lower body, meaning for your basics, okay? So we're gonna go, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. You see how like I'm really using the isolation. Obviously, once you're dancing to the faster music, it's gonna be a little bit different, yeah? So we're here. Let's apply it to the basic. We go 1, 2. Remember, we do first the feet, so we don't get too confused. And then we start adding the figure 8. So here I am going to isolate first before I even have to take the step number 1. Look, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Good luck, you guys. Alright guys, I hope you found this information useful, and remember, practice makes perfect. And if that's the case, please go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, don't forget to put that in the comment box below. And see you guys soon.